I'm going to tell you a quick story behind the Taylor Swift mural. My wife is a huge Taylor Swift fan, and when the tickets went on sale in Toronto, of course she wanted to get them, and she had no luck. She tried Ticketmaster, 6 shows, 300,000 people, sold out in seconds, and no luck. And she's been trying to get them. I felt bad she couldn't get them because she works very hard, and she wants to get a ticket. She should be able to get one, like I'm sure many of you tried to get. So she couldn't get a ticket even at the last minute, and I want to do something nice for her, so I painted this mural in her room, and I wanted to surprise her, but it's pretty hard to surprise someone when you live with them. So I'm going to show you a quick video of my process and some step-by-step and some tricks I used. And funny thing is, at the very last minute, she actually ended up getting a ticket for night one. She it wasn't cheap. I don't know what she paid, but you know what? She works so hard and she deserves it. And so, but she still has a mural as well, and that's gonna last longer than the one night. Okay, so I'm about to start this wall. The wall is clean, good shape, so I didn't really have to do anything. I have it all drawn out. You may not be able to see it. And then I have it masked around because I'm doing some airbrushing. So I always start my murals out by painting the background first. And if you notice in the Eras tour, she has some backgrounds with these colors. So I want to go for that look. So I'm about midway point on this. I base coated it with a flat peach color. And then I did some lights with airbrush. And then the mid-tones, I got to do a little bit of the darks just in her neck here. That's about it. The nostril, and then I'll work on the rest of the hair. And I'll go in with a brush and work her eyes, eyebrows, and all that stuff like that. So here, continuing the shading, sculpting her face using light colors, getting progressively darker with my airbrush. So after studying these lips and the teeth, I thought I messed up, and I kind of did, and I was going to have to repaint the teeth. And you know what? That happens sometimes. Yeah, you might have to redo things, but good news is I can actually fix it without having to repaint. This line has to be adjusted, and the teeth here have to be in shadow, and I'm going to fix the bottom of that, and it should fix it right up and still be accurate. You always got to check your source, your reference when you're painting something. It happens to me too. So don't get frustrated. Anything can be fixed because it's just paint. Pretty sure I got them fixed. Let's put the highlights on the teeth here. Okay, there you go. I think I fixed the lips, and all the skin tones are all done. All that's left is the hair and the dress, and we'll call it a day. So here I'm painting the necklace and the sequins in the dress, and truthfully, the necklace and the dress took longer than the rest of her face did, but details count, and that's just part of painting, and I love details. And here she is, Taylor Swift. My wife loved it. She was so happy when she saw it, and she also loved the concert. She said it was worth every dollar, and I'm so happy that she actually got to go. So, hope you like it. This is my process, and I love doing work like this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to have much more coming. This mural is cat approved.